Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, the home for auto enthusiasts who crave innovation on wheels. If you're into wild builds, electric wonders, or off-the-grid machines, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss what's next in the world of automotive evolution. Today, we're diving into something truly one of a kind, the RV camper tricycle. Yes, you heard that right. It's not a van, not a truck, and definitely not your typical RV. It's a trike, with a home built onto it. So, what exactly is an RV camper tricycle? Imagine a large three-wheeled cycle, often pedal-powered or electric-assisted, that has been engineered to carry a compact camper pod on its back. It's a fascinating hybrid between a bicycle and a micro-RV, designed for minimalists, adventurers, and anyone looking to experience van life without the van. These vehicles are gaining traction in some parts of the world, especially in urban areas and among eco-conscious travelers. In cities where full-sized campers are either too expensive or impractical to park, the RV tricycle offers a unique alternative. It's cheap to run, easy to maneuver, and often doesn't require a license, depending on the local laws. Now let's talk about the design. The front usually looks like a regular tricycle or a cargo bike. But the back is where things get really interesting. Most camper trikes feature a small cabin built with lightweight materials, often aluminum or fiberglass, mounted over the rear axle. Inside this tiny shell, you'll find just the bare essentials: a foldable bed, storage compartments, maybe a solar-powered light, and sometimes even a compact cooking area. One of the most viral builds came from a Chinese inventor who crafted a fully functional camper onto his trike. His creation included a pop-up roof for extra headroom, a built-in fan, a small sink, and even a TV. That's right, all powered by solar panels attached to the roof. The whole thing looked like a futuristic, rolling snail shell, and it caught the internet's attention immediately. And the best part, these setups are completely customizable. Whether you're someone who wants to pedal their way across the country or you prefer a small electric motor to help on hills, there's flexibility in how you build or buy one. Some are built from scratch using salvaged materials. Others are available as kits or custom orders from niche builders focused on sustainable travel. Sure, the RV camper tricycle isn't built for speed or long-distance highway driving. But that's not the point. It's designed for slow travel, short commutes, and a different way of experiencing life on the road. It's for the explorer who doesn't need much, just a roof over their head and wheels under their feet. From a cost perspective, it's a game changer. While a decent used RV might run you tens of thousands of dollars, a DIY trike camper can cost under $2,000 if you're creative with materials. Even high-end electric versions with more amenities usually stay well under $10,000, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious adventurers. Let's also not ignore the environmental aspect. The carbon footprint of an RV camper tricycle is drastically lower than any traditional motorhome. With no need for gas or diesel, and the possibility of running everything on solar, this setup appeals heavily to the green traveler. Another trend we're starting to see is urban nomads using these trikes as temporary homes in major cities, especially where rent is sky-high. Park in a legal area, sleep overnight, then roll out in the morning, completely mobile and under the radar. Of course, legalities vary, and it's essential to understand local regulations before setting up camp on public land. And then there's the community aspect. A growing number of enthusiasts around the world are sharing their custom builds, offering tips on how to maximize space, install solar power, and even make the cabin weatherproof. Whether it's on YouTube, forums, or social media, the DIY trike camper scene is growing fast. So who is this really for? It's not for the speed demon or the luxury traveler. It's for the minimalist, the eco-conscious, the curious explorer. The kind of person who finds joy in the journey rather than the destination. If you've ever dreamed of packing up and rolling out on your own terms, no gas station stops, no huge parking spots, this might just be your next obsession. Before we wrap up, let us know in the comments, would you ride and live in an RV camper trike? What features would you want in your setup? Or better yet, do you have your own build to share? We'd love to feature some of your stories in future videos. Thanks for riding along with us today on Auto Buzz TV. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow adventurers, and hit that subscribe button for more unique vehicles from around the world.